Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and I am here today with Mr. Les Winner of Polaris Logistics and a guy with a machine gun in the background. We are out here today at Midnight Brutality. And you were the one who first came up with the idea to do Midnight. We were shooting finished Brutality last year, and while we're waiting around in the cold at the blind stage, Les comes up to me, he's like, we've got this pretty sweet range, and we got these One Shepherd guys out there who do all sorts of nighttime training, and we could run really big guns in a midnight match, like all at night, all with night vision. Do you think that'd be a cool idea? And I'm like, I think that's a fantastically cool idea. And a year later, here we are.
Yeah.
Now, the one thing that truly makes this match possible is the assistance and the cooperation of One Shepherd. Because this is the Echo Valley Training Center out here is run by One Shepherd. What is One Shepherd? Who are you guys?
Yeah, sure. One Shepherd Leadership Institute was started in 1981, and it is a leadership institute that teaches leadership through the use of light infantry tactics.
Okay.
We are the largest users of the MILES system. For those who don't know, MILES is multiple integrated laser engagement system. You bolt it onto an AR, you use a real rifle, real blanks, and you get realistic ranges out of it. And we put people through their leadership positions, leading platoons, squads, fire teams, and teach all the different tactics that you need. So we teach ambush, we teach area defense, we teach raids, all the good stuff that goes along with that. Basically, if you're a veteran, it's all the fun with none of the dumb. If you've never been exposed to it and you want the experience, definitely we're the place to come. And if you just want to get some good leadership training that you can use in your real life, this is the place to come and do it.
And that, I assume, is on the basis of leadership in the context of military squad leadership is a skill that expands its usefulness is well beyond just running around with guns shooting at people. It expands to all manner of civilian normal life.
Exactly. If you can get some guys that are cold, tired, and hungry to do something at 3 a.m. in the morning when there's no light to see by, you can probably get them to fix your office problem.
That's pretty cool. So this is not specifically training for like active duty military. This is training for you're in the military and you want to improve your skills. You were in the military and you want to do more of that. You're not in the military and you want to learn how to do it. You like cosplaying and LARPing in airsoft gear and want to learn how to do it actually properly.
Exactly, all of the above. A lot of the big milsim people out there will come to One Shepherd to get the leadership skills for when they go back and play their major milsim tournaments.
Okay, that's really cool. And this is both day and nighttime operations.
Exactly. One of the things we do at One Shepherd, you come your very first day there, after we're done feeding you through the fire hose and you're ready to go to bed, we're like, no, night mission. So your very first mission is at night.
Okay. So what does a class at One Shepherd look like? Is this a day? Is this 2 days, weekend, a month?
Our whole program is made up of 6 semesters. A semester lasts a week. That week is divided into 3 parts. Your first 2 days are individual skills, and we cover what we call our Warrior Basic, which is basic stuff. Learn your AR-15, learn miles, learn basic tactics. Our Warrior Advanced course is Fieldcraft, how to come out here and set up patrol bases and all the stuff like that. We have a land navigation course. And then we move into our leadership tracks of Light Leaders, which is a stripped down, no-nonsense version of NCO school. We have a mission planning course, and we also have a leadership reflection course that once you've gone through it, it's to reflect back on what you've learned, how to apply it out in real life, and all the good stuff like that. Your next 2 days of a semester will be a collective task. Like our upcoming semester is going to be on area defense and deliberate attack. We also have ones on raid, ambush, infiltration, movement to contact. And then the last 3 days, we turn the whole school over to the students that have been trained in their leadership positions, divide them into teams, give them a mission, and for 3 days they hammer into each other into the woods executing their missions.
That is awesome. How big is this facility?
This facility is about 300 acres.
Okay.
We have multiple varied terrain here. You can have flat open fields. You have, as you see here, mature forest. We have some real dinosaur land.
Yeah, so, there's some places that are really dark when the sun goes down.
Yeah, here. And we have 3 locations in the United States. Our Alpha company's out in Missouri near Lake of the Ozarks.
Okay.
We have the West Virginia location. We do some training here at Echo Valley, but we do another place called BSR. That's not far from here. And at the end of this year, we're opening up our Charlie company in Florida, and that'll be hosted at Camp Blanding.
Nice.
Northern Florida. So we'll have 3 locations throughout the year. Starting next year, you'll have 6 opportunities a year to come through. So if you're super motivated and have all that time off from work, you can get through our program in a year.
Okay. So if people want to find out about this, where do they go?
Go to oneshepherd.com. Also, go to my YouTube channel, Pegasus Tests, and you can see videos I posted of what goes on at One Shepherd in detail of previous semesters, previous exercises we've done, and you can get a real flavor for it there.
Awesome. Well, I will include the website link in the description below, and I'll include a link in the end cards to Pegasus Test channel. Check it all out. If you think this looks like some fun, you're definitely right. And I think there's a lot here for people who are interested in it. Thanks for watching. A big thanks to One Shepherd for making Midnight Brutality a possibility here. So we are going to go and get set. The sun's, it's not setting yet, but we got about 2 hours until dark, and we got some shooting to do tonight. Thanks for watching.